Descriptive research methods. The descriptive research methods are strategies for observing and describing behavior. Naturalistic observation is the systematic observation and recording of behaviors as they occur in their natural settings. An advantage of this method is it allows researchers to study human behaviors that cannot be ethically manipulated in an experiment. As a research tool, this method can be used wherever patterns of behavior can be openly observed. A case study is an intensive, in-depth investigation of an individual or a small group of individuals. Case studies can be used to investigate rare, unusual, or extreme conditions, yet they can provide information that can be used to help understand normal behavior. A survey is a questionnaire or interview designed to investigate the behaviors, attitudes, and opinions of a particular group. Surveys allow researchers to gather information from a much larger group of people than is possible with other research methods. Surveys involve carefully designed questionnaires in paper and pencil format. They may also be used in computer or internet-based. They are also conducted over the phone or in person. Interviewers ask a structured set of questions in a predetermined order. A sample is a selected segment of the larger group or population being studied. A representative sample very closely parallels the larger group on relevant characteristics such as age, sex, race, marital status, and educational level. To help ensure that researchers select a representative sample, researchers commonly use random selection, which means that every member of the larger group has an equal chance of being selected for inclusion in the sample. One potential problem with surveys is that people do not always answer honestly. Participants may misrepresent their personal characteristics or lie in their responses. Haven't you known someone that would rather lie than tell you the truth? A correlational study examines how strongly two variables are related to or associated with each other. Correlations can be used to analyze the data gathered by any type of descriptive research method. A correlation coefficient is a numerical indicator of the strength of the relationship between two factors. It can range from negative 1.00 to plus 1.00. The number of a correlation coefficient indicates the strength of the relationship. The sign indicates the direction of the relationship between the two variables. A positive correlation is one in which two factors vary in the same direction. That is, the two factors increase or decrease together. A negative correlation is one in which two factors move in opposite directions. That is, as one factor decreases, the other increases. The critical point of that correlation does not necessarily indicate causality. Correlational research is valuable for two reasons. First, correlational research can be used to rule out some factors and identify others that merit more intensive study. And secondly, the results of correlational research can sometimes allow you to make meaningful predictions.